Tinubu and all the whole Eastern leaders. I don't have much to say than to release Nnamdi before this month runs up. Before this month we runs up, release Nnamdi. The same way you release Sunday Igbo, release Nnamdi in that way. I have told you, a great fire is coming upon the country. A great fire is coming upon Nigeria. A fire that nobody can quench it. I must tell you this. Be careful with Igbos. Igbos did not do anything in this society. We only want our freedom. And no Biafra, no peace. Again. This is me. I don't land again. Many have been talking rubbish. Many have been saying all sorts of things. I know where I am coming from. And I am still traveling again. I know where I have been before. I am still traveling. Any moment from now, I am still traveling. And my coming back again will be on fire. I just want to receive this with some of the proper the tools. I only want to receive this with some of the tools. We are fully ready. Thank God everything has been signed to Biafrans. Thank God we have gotten all we need. Nigeria, Chekwenaka Oranyo, Chenaka Orobia France. Unama Facebook Ibua. All Igbo leaders, Unama Facebook. Kamwaku Nezoku. All these things are not doko. All Unuakana Dotara. Makana Hagi Wegiricha, Neberabe Alala. Ofofokara Lunuao. Ofofora Lunuao. Would the Igbo leaders? Ofofokara Lunuao. I know there is one Juele Kukua. And when much equal than to say goodbye to the people of Biafra. Goodbye to our people. Nigeria, the zoological country. I cannot say goodbye to you because I have come back again. And I stand gidibam. This time around, and I go hear the sound of my chain. That time where the hungry una make una come collect, where una want come collect, una go hear the sound again. I am fully back. No matter say I will still travel any moment from now. But when I go hear my hands and when I go hear my message, which I know that when I go still deliver it, when I go deliver my message. We don't condemn the Ecuadorian. Huh? The owners of the land. The owners of the land. Okay, well. Huh? I can bring my man also there.
Biafra Liberation Army Commander have spoke well.
Guys, so this is why onye kuroku mere na our able president jiwe release here anyị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because o kwuru okwu ebe ahụ ndị ụlọ anụ na ihe o kwuru onwedo onye nọ na echiche obi ọfụma ga-eme ọnụ ihe ahụ ghara irespond ọsịsọ so anyị na-ekele Chukwu oke abịa ma onye mere ka ọ dị possible then ihe ọzọkwa awụ na kịta marakwanụ na enwere ndị na-ekpe ekpere all this while maka this quest and Chukwu grant kwalịa ka anyị mekwa sikwa ka Chukwu gozie ndị dị otu a mgbe ka ị na-watch video na-atụsị ya na-like na-share ka ọ na-eru ọ dasị